All right, let's welcome your group to the stage. Here we go. Myrtle Beach, are you ready? Make some noise. Here we go. Coming to us from Charlotte, North Carolina, welcome to the stage here in our teen division, Mother Nature.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
Excellent job, ladies. Now that's what I'm talking about. Now that took me there. Come on over here, gorgeous, my buddy. Hi, beautiful. Tell everybody your name.
Kylie.
Kylie, everybody take a deep breath. Woo! Let your weave down. Woo! All right, now tell us your names. Your names are?
Demi. Brianna. Kayla.
It's good for being conditioned, ain't it? Uh-huh. Stay in condition. Keeps you in shape. Y'all gonna have a cheeseburger after this. Tell us your name.
Jaida. Avery. Julia. Jenai.
I'm running to Honey to get me a big old fried cheeseburger, I promise you. In the name of your dance studio is? It's Miss Fabulous Miss Donna School of Dance, and your teacher there is? Miss Jana and Miss Haley, who are absolutely brilliant. We give hats off to them divas, okay?